What's up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the EDC Conquest. I have not posted for a while, as you may have noticed, because I have just been very busy with life and everything. But today we are getting back into it. We're going to be posting more consistently. And we got a nice unboxing to do with y'all today. This I have been looking forward to unboxing with y'all for quite some time now. This is a very special knife, near and dear to my heart. Has actually been one of my Grail knives that I have been questing and searching for 2 or 3 years now, and nobody has had it in stock. I bought this knife roughly a month ago, and I'm gonna be opening it up and getting into it with y'all here today. So without further ado, let's get into it, because this has been a long time coming. So here we go. We're gonna open her up here. I'm super excited to be getting back into this, and I will have more videos for y'all coming soon. But yeah, I am just really excited to be getting into this knife with you. And yeah, shout out to Springfield EDC on YouTube and all the other social platforms. This is where I picked this up from. He had got some of the limited Protech knives from one of the shows. I believe it was Blade Show Texas, I think, is where he got this from. I could be wrong. But he had a Protech short on some of the knives that he had picked up and when they were going to be available, and he had the one I was looking for. There's a really cool story behind this. He had it, the one I was looking for, and they were going to be open to like their local community, open doors, and before the general public, and all the knives were made available online. And I ended up being able to snag this knife, and I have been looking forward to unboxing it here. So got a little cloth in there and packing peanuts. Dig through the packing peanuts. Wow. Oh yes, oh yes. Let me make sure there's nothing else in here. So this knife, as I have stated before, has been one of my Grail knives that I have been looking for, and nobody has had it in stock. And now I am finally able to unbox it here with you guys. You guys are going to be the first ones to witness this too. So this is the Protech Rockeye, but not just any Rockeye. This is the Rockeye Operator Edition. Oh yes. See if we can't slide this off. Wow, that's presentation for you. I just love how Protech packs all of their knives. It just really goes into generally when somebody has good packaging, you know they have a good product. So that's just one thing I really appreciate about Protech. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited right now. Look at that. The Rockeye design has just been one of my favorite designs that Protech has ever come out with. And this would be my first Rockeye. Wow, look at that. Yeah. Look, would you just look at that? So this entire thing is DLC coated with a black DLC coated, I believe, aluminum handle. And this is the Magna Cut bladed version with the tritium inlay in the button there. You can see. So that will actually glow in the dark. I'll have some up close footage of that. But as you can see, the whole thing is DLC coded. First opening. This is an auto. Oh my gosh. That makes me insanely happy. So the whole thing with the operator edition and the operator treatment that you can see from, I don't believe it's just Protech, but the whole thing is that there is no branding or marking on it anywhere. The entire thing is completely blacked out, no branding, no lettering, nothing engraved, just clean, smooth, black DLC premium awesomeness. And this is the Magnica bladed edition with that nice flat kind of saber grind with a swedge there with a nice drop point shape to the blade. A little bit more upswept in the belly here, but the design of the handle makes it so ergonomic and easy to hang on to, and just the guard sits your hand in super deep. So as always, you'd want to check your local laws to see if these are legal to carry in certain jurisdictions, because it is an automatic or classified as a switchblade. But this is one of my favorite designs, that just the full-size Rockeye, and I have wanted it in the Operator Edition for so long, and I finally found one, so I jumped at the chance to snag it. And now here we are, and boom, it was worth every penny. Generally, these knives by Protech, you know, are not going to be particularly cheap, but you do absolutely get what you pay for. The machining and the tolerances, the clean design, the quality of the craftsmanship and the steel and everything that you get from a Protech knife, you can guarantee is going to be top tier. And these will run you about somewhere in the ballpark of $350. So no, they're not cheap, but you definitely get what you pay for. And yeah, this, I'm just super excited to now have this one as a part of my Protech collection. This is by far the best, I think, side opening automatic that I have ever owned. This is very, very cool. Very, very cool. Oh, let's give it a few more flips, you know? Oh, I love that. You can hear the, let's see if you can hear the it click back inside to the detent. Oh yeah, and once it's in there, there's no movement, no wiggle. It is locked in place. You push a button, boom. Gives you they swing open with so much power and authority. It is actually crazy. That's just how awesome these ones are. You can look forward to seeing me at Blade Show Atlanta this year. I will be doing some show coverage, and that should be a really, really fun time. It'll be my first time in Atlanta, and I'm really excited for it, and hope you guys can come along and be able to just partake in this super fun experience. And if you can't, I'll be getting some footage of the show for all of you who could not make it there in person. And yeah, we're going to be doing some pocket checks and some booth coverage and stuff, and it's going to be a really, really fun time. So stay tuned for that footage. Go check out my other video popping up right now, and until then, make sure you respect your tools. They will respect you, and always be moving forward. Thanks, everybody. Peace.